Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, my name is Elizabeth.
Yes.
And I've been on this program the third time now, and it's been very wonderful. I enjoy coming because there are people ready to help us to sort things out online. Everybody was very helpful. What I did today is a continuation of what I started last week. Today, in short, I was able to enter my NHS app.
Wow.
With the help of
Realda.
Realda sat down on my neck and made me do it. So I'm happy I did it. I'm happy I did it. Today I was able to go into my file. I saw up to 2013, 2014.
Wow.
It's marvelous. It's good to know
Yes.
what I have in my file, and it helps me to understand how I have to be careful with my health. So I really appreciate it. And what is more, I can of my own volition upload whatever test I do onto my website. That is wonderful achievement.
Yes. Thank you,
Wonderful
my Elizabeth.
achievement.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yes.